8 reasons why my mattress is the only thing I'm sleeping with this monsoon. The weather outside is gloomy, cold and wet. It makes me want to curl up with someone I won't forget. I'm tired of playing games, I just want to cut to the chase. But I still want the best, something better than the rest. And that's why my mattress is the only thing I'm sleeping with this season. And here are all the reasons. I can pick it up, take it straight to my room without having to deal with any of its crap. It wears clothes to impress, but actually it's really easy to undress. It opens up quickly to me and reveals everything without any emotional stress. And even though it's soft and thin at first, just wait till you get it up, take off what's covered, and it comes to life. And even though we've only just met, it's like we've known each other a while. It knows exactly what my body wants and how to make me smile. It gives the warmest hugs, but also knows how to give me space. It adjusts to all my needs, no matter which way I face. It doesn't say much, but it's a great listener. It lets me sleep in and wake up just in time for breakfast in bed. Why waste time worrying about getting laid when you can just lay back instead? Even cuddling is cooler when it's controlled by temperature-controlled technology. It's even better when you can just sink in and let it take over your whole body. It's my happy place and comfort zone all rolled into one. It's comfy, bouncy, and knows how to make things fun. The only drama I have are the movies I watch while lazing around. I don't have to wait for it to text me. It keeps my sleep cycle safe and sound. But the best part is I know I can come home and it will be waiting for me with open arms. So I guess it's time for me to hit the snooze button on all my alarms. So guys, these were all the reasons I'm sleeping with my mattress this season. So who are you sleeping with? And what is the one thing you cannot sleep without? Answer in the comments below.